Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and this unboxing is going to be for this HP monitor. Now this is the VH240 Alpha. So nonetheless, let's go right ahead and open this puppy up. So first thing we get greeted, of course, we do have some documentation here, warranty information. All right, so I took everything out of the box, so let's go right ahead and get this going. So also, of course, it does come with an HDMI cable, and then of course the 3.5mm audio jack. I'm sorry, cable right here, not a jack. We do have the stand here. So here we go. Construction, bottom plate or bottom of the base is of course metal, and the top of it is plastic. All right, so we have the power strip right here, and we do have the cable that comes with the power strip. So we have the stand right here, of course, also plastic, everything. All right, let's go right ahead and assemble the base. I'm just gonna get the base and the stand. Of course, now we have the monitor. There you go. So it just basically clicks at the back, and there we go. So we have the monitor itself. Okay, so the ports in the back, of course, you do have the port for the 3.5mm audio. You have a port for the VGA, HDMI, and as well as the power. And then of course you also have the power button right here, and then you have other buttons here, which would most likely be to change the input, of course adjust the brightness and all that good stuff inside of the menu of the monitor. One of the main reasons why I actually purchased this monitor, of course I don't have that much space in my desk. I actually need to try to find something bigger. But one of the things is that I liked about this monitor is you can leave it in landscape, or you can also do it portrait. So you could go right ahead and set it up like this. You really don't have to have or purchase a special mount or anything like that. It just basically comes with it. As well as, one of the things I forgot is you can move this here. I'll just put this here. You can move this down and up. I believe you can tilt it forward and back, but you can't do it, swivel it side to side, so you can't really do that. But like I said, I mean, the main reason I wanted it is, of course, because of portrait. So I always wanted to have a dual screen. I mean, I'm already used to it at work, so that's what, I wanted to do. But with the amount of desk space that I have, it's really hard to put, two of these monitors together. So luckily I found this one, so it's going to be portrait. So this is, of course, is going to be my main monitor, and this one would be my side monitor. Just to have, I don't know, if I'm recording something, I could go right ahead and have that there. If I'm working on editing a video, I could go right ahead and have certain files available to me in this monitor. Okay, so that is basically the monitor turned on. So of course, like I said, this is the main monitor, side monitor. So I like how it came out. Luckily, this bezel, or this bottom bezel, didn't actually come this way. So the bezels inside of or outside of the monitor are very thin, just like this one. All right, so there we have basically a window open. So it's not that much of a gap. It's maybe, what would it be, probably half an inch, but there we go. So that is going to be the new setup for my office, which I am very happy to finally have two monitors. That is the end of this unboxing. Like always, I really do hope you enjoyed the video, and we will catch you on the next one.